In the beginning, gas chromatography could be very frustrating. It took hours to pack columns and prepare samples. And, after all that, the results didn't tell you a lot. Then came the breakthrough of capillary columns and mass spec detectors. These separated many more peaks and helped identify them, but they still couldn't find all the important trace compounds. That needed advanced sample extraction and concentration tools like Mark Sentry and TD100. These helped chromatographers find important trace toxic and smelly substances, allowing them to get even more information from each sample. But it was still really difficult to distinguish between similar sample types. So advanced but robust separation technologies were developed and a new generation of mass spec detectors, giving chromatographers more accuracy and information than ever before. It seemed like a dream come true until the poor analysts began to drown in all that data. What could they do? It was taking hours per sample to make sense of it all. The answer was smart software. Not the old complicated programs that didn't shed much light, but really smart, intuitive programs that improved and automated data interpretation. This was the answer. Now labs could reliably distinguish between different varieties and ripeness of fruit, and diagnose cancer patients among healthy controls, certify authentic products, and identify cheap imitations, track down the source of a bad smell, and much more. So, gas chromatography has come a long way, from its primitive beginnings to the modern chromatographer, producing a wealth of reliable information and with tools to make sense of it all.